Hello, good morning, dear. How have you been? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, English with AP. Today, I'm here to share with you how we can start our speaking journey, and I'm going to tell you from where we can start our speaking. And generally, if you want to start your speaking journey, then stay on this video and watch this video till it end. Because today, I'm going to tell you about the start speaking journey. I can understand we all are from different state. Someone from Uttar Pradesh and someone from Madhya Pradesh and someone from Jammu Kashmir, someone from South and someone from Northeast, and everywhere different languages speaks. So first of all, we have to start the listening language, and we have to the habitual of listening this language. After becoming the habitual, we can start our speaking journey easily, because when we are in our initial days, we always are confused from where I should start to speak. ग्रामर पढ़ें या वोकेबुलरी लर्न करें या फिर सेंटेंस पढ़ें. So there is a lot of questions always arise in our mind, and for that, so I request it to you, please try to watch every content in English. After that, after becoming the habitual of listening and watching this English content, you can start your speaking. And suppose that if you don't know what is the particular word for the Hindi meaning, then you can go through the Google and you can go through from the dictionary, and there is a lot of platform are available in these days, because these days there is a lot of applications are available in the Play Store. Then you can go through from there and you can download and start your speaking journey, because there are so many strangers are available on their platform, and you can do practice with them, because they all know why we are here to on this platform, because we all are the learner. So they always thinks, so you can your speaking journey. And talk about if I talk about the grammar is not compulsory during the spoken, during in speaking, because in your initial day, makes a mistakes are allowed. Nobody are here to judge you why you are doing the mistake in your video. And if you are thinking, then you are doing a mistake, so that's why you are not speaking. This is your big mistake. So try to watch every content in English and try to speak everything in English. And if you don't know how to speak this sentence in English, then you can go through with the Google easily, and after that you can write in your notebooks. And because notepad is available in everyone's phone, then you can write the sentence in your notepad in your phone. Whenever you need the sentence, then you can go through, because we are not a Einstein. So after reading one time we can learn. We have to do the practice again and again, and we have to speak that sentence, we have to speak that word again and again. After that, we are able to recognize that word on a particular place. And if I tell you one thing, most of the people always thinks like this thought: if I try to speak in front of someone, they make a fun of me, and they leave a comment on me, and they leave a sarcastic comment on me. So don't think like this. If because they are doing like this because they don't have the interest in the language, so that's why they are doing this. And if you want to learn this language and if you want to speak this language, then you have to start as we start our Hindi from our childhood. So first we listened this language. After that we spoke this language Hindi. So first we spoke the broken Hindi. We spoke the proper Hindi. Like that, we have to start. Like that, you have to start your speaking journey. Definitely, you will definitely you would make some mistakes in your initial day, but after few days and after few months, you will not mistakes because you will become a habitual of speaking. So for that, start your speaking from basic level, because everyone has a different mother tongue issue. So we can't speak in one time. We have to do practice many times. After that, we can speak this language. I will have to tell you one thing also. You can do one task. You can just follow the English content on your Instagram, on your Facebook, because when you try to watch every content in English, then social media always suggests you that kind of content on your page. Because how social media does the work, whatever you want, then social media pick that topic and put in front of your screen. And if you are watching your content in Hindi, then social media definitely suggests you that topic in Hindi. And if you follow the English content, if you are watching the English content, then social media does work according to you, what you want to watch. So just go through the Instagram and go through the YouTube and just go through the Facebook, where you can subscribe the English content and where you can follow the English content. So after following and after subscribing the English content, social media will work for you what you want to. So somebody, and whenever you try to speak, because I think I think you know one thing, dear. Your phone is listening everything whatever you are talking, because your phone microphone is always on. So I think you have noticed or not, but I noticed one thing. Whenever I thought what I need and what I required, and just whenever I switched on my phone, that things always comes in front of me. Why this is happening? Because whenever I speaking, whenever I'm saying, whenever I'm watching, everything is noticing my phone. So whenever I switch on my phone, then whatever is going in my mind, that things always comes in front of me. So if you watch every and if you so if you watch everything in English, then social media suggests you from that kind of content you want to watch. Okay, so I hope it's enough for today, and I will discuss another topic in another video, because I'm speaking sorry just I'm starting my speaking journey like you, because just I'm starting my speaking journey with all of you. And if you also want to start your speaking journey with me, then we will together learn this language and we will together speak this language. Okay, so I think it's enough for today. I'll meet you in another video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.